Oh, that. Well, I'm on my own
Oh my
ice.
god.
Yep.
Oh. Wait, how are you alive?
I died.
Oh, good luck, guys.
Ah! I didn't notice there was a wall there.
That was ambitious.
All right. No, ice, ice, ice.
Oh no! Oh, don't worry, we'll make it hard.
All right, I'm good.
No! We're fine. We're back on the same one that
Alright.
won us last time.
Yep.
Well, I won on last time.
I'm going to that one. It's more safe.
Oh,
I like
fuck.
this
Here.
Wait, wait, who did this? Wait,
Yep.
this is fucked.
Make it. Yes.
No!
I'm alive. I'm alive. I saved it.
Yes. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Oh shit, there's a wall there. I wasn't.
I gotta time this. Oh, that's glue. I like this one better.
Now that jump is makeable. There you
I
go.
did it. We're good.
Jump on the fire.
I almost stepped on that.
The desync.
That was ambitious.
All right. No, ice, ice, ice.
Oh no!
Yes.
How did
Wait,
Jesse
Jesse's
how did
alive.
Jesse survive?
Not alive for long. Oh, you can just go through that. I forgot.
God damn.
Ooh.
No, it's okay. He loses up here.
Let's see, does my barrel fuck you, or did I not put it high enough? I didn't put it high enough.
You didn't put it high enough.
You're welcome.
Now
Oh,
here
he's
we
gonna
go.
do it.
Through the fire and the flames.
Oh, damn it.
Through the fire and the flames.
I got two with my trap. Hell yeah.
One went away.
One of them being Excel.
I'm so bad at this game.
Can you make that?
Whoa, 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 what is this?
Oh, you can.
No.
God! Oh, that scared me. Okay.
No. I got sniped.
Oh,
I'm gonna get shut out game one. That's a tough.
That's a dub. Wait, are you getting
All
shut
right.
out to you?
I'm getting shut out game one.
All right.
I got a
Hunter
trap
won.
kill. Let's go.
Oh, sudden death! Oh, first and flag! Go! Go! Ah! No!
Yes.
Oh, Go! Go again!
This is fucked.
Oh,
Wait,
you
what?
respawn. Go,
What
go,
is-
go! What?
I'm sorry, I choked.
Hunter joked this. Hunter joked it.
No,
No!
you
What?
won't.
Oh, thank God.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
How did I bounce off of it?
Booted him.
God. That was so
Bro, my guy fucking did a
was
180 and
nuts.
jumped like 30 feet to the left.
That was nuts.
Damn it!
Yeah, it teleports you.
Yeah, it just teleports you.
Well, that was depressing.
Oh, only if you have two. If you only had one of them, it kills you. What the absolute
Ow.
fuck is going on here?
Oh, don't mind me.
Well, you guys are getting points.
Damn
I
it!
wouldn't
I
stay
could
on
have
that.
fucking, I could have fucked you. Could have fucked you. Could have fucked you.
I'll take the extra first.
I'm actually just kind of sad
Damn.
because T was the first one in there, and I don't think
Wait,
he
who
deserved it.
died? What the?
I
I
did.
killed somebody
I
in my.
deserve it.
Yeah. Yes.
Leave her alone. Oh no! Oh no! How am I alive? How am I alive? Wait, I'm not alive.
You're not.
I kind of just sent it a little
Alright,
too hard.
Jesse, you want to call a truce here when we finally kill the other two?
Well, here's the thing. He's standing with us. Oh, what?
Don't move, Austin. It's a bad time.
Go ahead and get out for a minute. Oh my god.
No,
I
it's
made it.
not. It's not. It doesn't work. It's just panic.
He's still alive.
He's up.
Oh no! Oh,
He stomped on that arrow.
AFK warning, you dumb
AFK
hookers.
warning, Tyler.
Alright, now time to watch T die the second he jumps too. Oh, that's a good start. This is the death room. What a fucking bitch.
That was absolutely what I was thinking, Jesse.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
Oh my
We're
gosh.
fucked. I think he wins off traps alone.
Unless I win alone.
Wait, I have another teleporter.
That one's a death teleporter.
I don't know if this is possible now. Because quite frankly, oh my Jesus.
Oh
Yeah, she's so fast.
Oh my god, it drills me in the mouth!
Let me down! Fuck!
It drills me in the mouth!
Jesus Christ. That thing just hits us with beams, dude. What the fuck?
Very easily possible, though. Oh no, wait, did Jesse kill any of us? I don't think he did.
I don't know if I did.
Yeah!
I don't think he did.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Yes! Yes!
What the fuck?
Yes! All three of my traps
The
got you.
hockey
What the fuck? Holy shit!
That's awesome. That was awesome. Great play.
That was
This is
awesome,
fucking
Hunter.
stupid. The bees. Not the bees.
Oh, I fucked it.
Oh, there went that man. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I lost sight of me. Oh no, get out of the way!
Ow! Why are you
Wait, what is
Get
fireballs?
Get beat.
Oh, no!
Yeah, he got caught by what I got hit by.
Oh, I got killed by my own trap.
I got this. This is fucked.
That was
You better go.
what?
Why did it move back?
Why did it go back a bit? That's stupid. an interesting
it's
one.
still. What
Okay.
in the fuck was?
Oh,
Oh
no,
my
fun stuff.
gosh!
Oh, the bees are on the wheel.
Yeah, well, he's actually just made this a little bit easier.
Oh, fuck.
So I'm not gonna
Oh
lie.
fuck, I might have fallen. I have fallen and I cannot get up.
Beast, beast, water, no!
Killed
Well.
by his own his own demise, his own trap.
Good luck.
Alright, here we go. Okay,
Yeah.
it snagged me out of left field.
Shove
It
into the-
snagged me, dude. I was on my way down. That's such horseshit.
Oh, I'm still alive.
Oh,
Oh my god, I started sliding fast as shit.
Oh, get out of the way! Get out of the way! I don't want the bees. Oh, oh boy!
Please tell me, please tell me I keep doing it. No,
Thanks,
come
thanks
on.
for taking the hit.
Bro, I keep getting demolished by that thing.
Oh, you're blocking the fireballs. Yes. I'm gonna win.
was
I really
hoping
wish you would have died.
there. Yeah, that's kinda fucked, I'm not gonna lie.
who's got our acid kick?
You jumped and drilled me in the face.
Okay, what the fuck?
It's okay, they're easy to get past.
Oh, I can't wait.
This is I don't want to.
Why would you get rid of the one that doesn't do anything?
Oh, I jumped right in the middle.
I booted her.
Bro, I got fucking bodied!
Yeah, I bodied you and then bodied T right afterwards.
Damn it.
Yeah, this is fucked.
No coin for you.
Alright, we're
Here,
getting-
Tyler. Go get it.
Alright. Well,
Wait, what does this mean? Does this mean it moves?
Yeah.
This fan thing?
Yep.
Oh wait, I know what to do then. No, the fist will go with it. Don't be a bitch. Get rid of the coin. Fuck the coin.
fuck your coin.
Yeah, fuck the coin.
I told Tyler to go get it. It's the bait.
Oh, there's a hole.
Wait.
Don't mind me. Oh, you can't make that. Wait, I thought it went farther. I'm gonna try for it. I'm trying for it.
Oh,
No way, there's no shot.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Are we gonna have the first winner?
Yes, we are.
Yeah!
Give me a I kind of got scammed. I'm not gonna lie.
You got a
How
trap.
did
gun.
Hunter get a trap?
I
On
have
the
a trap
board,
door. Why are you
baby.
saying you getting scammed? Give me that. I'll take the portal, yeah.
Let's give a death teleporter to someone. This may have gotten exponentially more difficult immediately. Wait, this is fucked.
Oh, well,
The bitch made way.
Ow!
Oh fuck. Okay.
Oh yeah!
Later! Oh, I missed!
I missed.
I love that I added the fist there.
Pack!
Wait!
Playing
no!
that time, baby.
Forgot about it!
Well, I'm not gonna hit like the
Look at
quickest
T,
speed run ever.
Look at him, look at him. Ow!
Serves you right, bitch!
Look at Austin. Look at him. Look at him.
Look at him sitting in the back like a little bitch when you're not getting hit by any of the trap. And then he falls right through it. So that that means I get points. Wait, that means I get points and I pass up Hunter. Yes! Please.
Alright, it's okay. I got this. I'll be the first in this time. Don't you worry.
All I
It's
have to
gonna
do
get
is
wild.
make it impossible. Wait, it doesn't matter what you do. I can make it impossible. Wait, can I make it? Fuck, can I make it?
Theoretically, yeah.
Shit, you might be able to make that jump.
There is a chance.
Oh, yes!
There is a chance.
Wait, no, you just... You stupid bitch. Why would you do that?
And now I can.
I lost.
Well, I'm going for pride here.
Wait, you have underdog bonus. Wait! Wait!
You're telling
Please
me there's
no.
a chance.
Please no. He's
You're
underdog
telling
bonus.
me there's a chance. Do it. Do it, Jesse. Rain
It's
on
all,
his parade.
it's all gonna
And
be
the
because
coin.
of fucking
And the
T's
coin.
dumbass
And the
placement.
coin. And the
Yeah, you
coin.
won.
Yes.
Please!
Come on,
Jesse!
Yes, sir. Come on.
Let's go! Yes!
Jesse, you had that in the bag. I made that. I made that possible for you.
I made it possible for me and I just slipped!